take a demo test of our best robot EA V5, now it's become very easy. In that case, you have to visit our website FXSCHOOL.info, then go to menu, and there you can see our main robot. So go there and free demo test, click here. After open this page, go below and there you will see some details that if you want to take a demo test, in that case you have to give us your some account details. If you give us your account details, in that case we will set our robot to your account and you can see the trade by your phone and your computer. So these 5 account details we need to set your account for the demo test: your broker name, MT4 account number, MT4 password, balance, and the server. So remember one thing, these details we need only for the demo test, but when you buy our robot, in that case we will send you the file with full settings and the guideline, everything. In that case you don't need to give us your real account password and those kind of details. So then the next part is that how much balance you need to take a demo test. So if you want to use our robot properly, in that case you need $3,500 balance minimum. But if you have a small account, you can also take a demo test. So in that case you need $1,000 minimum balance if you want to take a demo test in a small account. But if you take a demo test with $1,000 account, in that case you can see the trade only in USD JPY, because our robot minimum balance need $3,500. So if you give us $1,000 account, in that case we cannot use the Euro USD and the other currency pair. But if you take a demo test with the $3,500, in that case we will use the USD JPY and the Euro USD and other currency pair also. These things also same will be your real account. Okay, so if your real account balance also $1,000, so better you can take a demo test with $1,000. If your real account balance is $3,500 or more, like $4,000 or $5,000 or $10,000, in that case you can take a demo test with that much balance. So it will then you can understand how our robot works. And remember one thing, that your broker have to allow 0.01 lot size, and the leverage more is good. So for the real account you can use MT4 and MT5 both account, but for the demo test you have to give us the MT4 details. So then you have to click apply for demo test. After open this page, there you can see one option add to cart. There you can see one option process to checkout. In this page, there you have to give us all the details: your first name, your last name, your country, your phone number with the country code. If you have a WhatsApp number, then better put your WhatsApp number, because we have a WhatsApp and Skype. If you need any help, you can connect with us. And there you have to put your email address. And in the additional information section, you have to put your all demo details, like your broker name, your MT4 account number, password, and the balance and server. So after put all the details, then click here and click place order. So there, if you don't put your information, in that case you cannot place your order. So put all the information properly. After click the place order, we will receive your request, and also you will get a email notification that we receive your order. And when we will set your account for the demo test, we will confirm you and we will send you a message by WhatsApp or Skype or email that your demo test start. And after start the demo test, you can see your trade by your phone or computer. And remember one thing, do not trade in this demo account and don't close any order by yourself. Better when you give us your demo details, open a new account and give us the demo details. Then you can understand that how much you make profits with our demo. So I hope you understand everything. If you don't understand anything, you can connect with us with the WhatsApp or Skype. In that case, we will help you. Okay, bye. Have a good day.